Daniel Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com. Today I'm going to be talking to you about customizable latex mattresses. So what makes a customizable latex mattress? It's essentially a mattress that has a zippered cover that goes around the whole perimeter of the cover, which enables you to have access to the inner components. So what this enables you to do is to customize the mattress. Not only when you're ordering it, you have many choices in firmness, but when you get the mattress at home, in the event that it doesn't meet your needs in terms of comfort and pressure relief and firmness, you can have access to the inner components and either switch around the different layers or get in touch with the manufacturer, and in some cases they'll be able to send out another layer of latex foam that you'll be able to switch or swap out within the mattress just by opening up that zippered cover. Certain natural latex mattresses will have that zippered cover that goes all the way around, and I'll be featuring some of those mattresses here today. So what I'm doing in this video is showcasing different mattresses that are third-party certified. They're all natural, and so that if you're in the search for a natural latex mattress, you've already set your mind on getting something that doesn't have any VOCs, that's much more durable than a polyurethane mattress, that's dust mite resistant, that is third-party certified by GOLS, that's the Global Organic Latex Standard, and GOTS, that's the Global Organic Textile Standard, then this is the perfect video for you. You'll save so much time because I've pre-made that list for you, and then all you have to do is choose between the different mattresses that I'm showcasing here. Obviously this isn't a complete list, but these are the best mattresses from the most reliable and trustworthy companies out there on the market when you're talking about natural latex mattresses. In terms of customizable latex mattresses, they fall into two categories. Some will be hybrid, that is, they will have a spring coil unit on the inside. So hybrid means a hybrid between the spring coils and the latex. And the other type of mattress will be all latex or all foam. So that means that the inner components are made of several layers of latex stacked on top of each other. Most of the mattresses that I will be talking about here will be the all latex flavor. So you're probably wondering, Daniel, have you tried out all of these mattresses for yourself? Do you have a first-person account of all these mattresses? One of them I do, that's the Spindle latex mattress and the Spindle hybrid mattress. And so I did review those, but the other mattresses come in so many different varieties and so many different configurations that it would be impossible to try out every single one. The mattresses, especially when you're talking about natural latex mattresses, are pretty much the same from one to the other. Where they vary is the third-party certifications and some of the construction components, the thicknesses, and so on. The materials from one to another don't vary that much. Essentially, you have a organic cotton cover that's quilted with wool, and then you have the comfort layer, which is 1 or 2 or 3 layers of natural latex, and beneath that you have a coil unit that is typically 6 inches or 8 inches. And all of these components vary in thickness, but that is the essential construction of mattresses. To get the essential information that you need to choose a customizable latex mattress, you get everything you need right in this video. So the first mattress that I will feature here is the Sleep Easy Natural Latex Mattress. This comes in a 7, 9, 10, and 13-inch configuration. And the great thing about this mattress is obviously the components are very good. They're all natural. You get the choice between Talalay latex and Dunlop latex. Personally, I prefer the Dunlop latex because it's a much more natural foam. You're 100% sure that it's all natural, whereas the Talalay is more expensive, it's more complicated to manufacture, and it's often blended with chemicals, some of which are non-toxic, but there's still more additives that are needed in order to create this type of foam. So I would stick with Dunlop latex. So the Sleep Easy Natural has a zippered cover, which enables you to access the inner components of the mattress. The great thing about this mattress is the mattress builder that is available on the Sleep Easy website. The link will be down below in the description. And even if you're not interested in this mattress, but you are interested in natural latex mattresses, go to the page that is linked and just play around with the different configurations. They even have a mattress builder where you input your different values of your height, weight, and sleeping position for you and your partner, and the builder will suggest a mattress configuration based on your needs. The Sleep Easy Natural is made up of a cotton cover, Jomo wool batting. It's got 100% natural Dunlop or blended Talalay. It's available in soft, medium, firm, extra firm, and there are split firmnesses available. The certifications are GOLS, Oecotex, EcoWool, GOTS, Eco Institute, and the Rainforest Alliance. So the next mattress that I will feature here, which is very similar to the one that I just mentioned, the Sleep Easy Natural, is the Sleep Easy Organic. The main difference is that it has 100% natural Talalay instead of blended Talalay. So if you're going for a natural latex mattress, I would just stay away from blended Talalay. I would choose Dunlop latex, but if you absolutely want Talalay, this would be a great option. The 100% natural Talalay latex that is in the Sleep Easy Organic. So the same thing as the Sleep Easy Natural, you get access to that wonderful builder that is on the Sleep Easy website, where you get to choose all the layers. You can configure the whole thing from top to bottom, split layers. You can choose the firmness, you can choose the thickness, and the mattresses are made to order. That means that as soon as they get your order, they will put the pieces together for you and ship it out. You get it delivered for free right to your front door. So the materials for the Sleep Easy Organic are an organic cotton cover, which is zippered, gives you access to the inner components, Eco wool batting. You get 100% natural Dunlop latex or 100% natural Talalay latex. It's available in soft, medium, firm, extra firm, and there are split firmnesses available. The certifications are GOLS, Oecotex, EcoWool, GOTS, Eco Institute, and the Rainforest Alliance. You get free shipping, free returns, a 90-day trial. In the event that the firmness isn't quite up to par, it doesn't meet your needs, just get in touch with Sleep Easy, and within that 90 days, you can exchange the comfort layer to optimize the comfort and firmness of the mattress. Next mattress I'll be talking about is the Latex Mattress Factory DIY mattress. This mattress is available at a great price point. The price is always fluctuating, so you really need to check the link below and check the latest pricing for that mattress. It's available in a 6, 8, 9, 12-inch configuration, and it's available as a hybrid or an all latex core. So you really have to go in and build the mattress from the ground up. So the components for the DIY mattress from Latex Mattress Factory are an organic cotton cover, Jomo wool, Talalay latex, Dunlop latex. You get the coil layer, which is 6 inches, and the cotton cover. So you have the choice between Talalay latex and Dunlop latex when you're ordering the mattress. Not quite the same amount of certifications as Sleep Easy. They have Oecotex and Eco Institute. This may change in the future, but at the time of this video, these are the certifications that they did have for those components. You get a 10-year limited warranty, a 100-night trial. Returns, however, cost $99. The next mattress I'll be talking about is the Plush Beds Botanical Bliss. This mattress is available in the 9, 10, and 12 inches, and it does have a zippered cover, which is part of the criteria for this video. So the mattress components for this mattress are an organic cotton cover, organic wool, and Dunlop latex. It's available in medium and medium firm. The certifications are GOLS latex, USDA organic, Oecotex, GOTS organic cotton, Green Guard Gold, and Eco Wool. Free returns, free shipping, 100-night trial, and a 25-year limited warranty. So the customizable options for this mattress aren't as interesting as some of the other models, but it does have a zippered cover, and I find the customer support very good. 100-night trial. Plush Beds is a very good, reputable company that's been around for many, many years, so they have a great track record for as far as customer support. The Plush Bed's Natural Bliss is kind of the wool-free version of the Botanical Bliss that I just mentioned. It's also available in 6, 8, or 10 inches, a bit different from the Botanical Bliss, but it does have some similarities. It does have a zippered cover, and the materials are organic cotton, a plant-based fire barrier instead of the wool-based fire barrier, and it has tallow latex. The firmnesses are soft, medium firm, or extra firm, and it has many certifications, which are GOLS, GOTS, OECOTEX, Green Guard Gold, Eco Institute, and the Control Union certified. You get free shipping, free returns. The trial is 100 nights, and it comes with a 25-year limited warranty. The next mattress I'm going to talk about is one of my favorites. It's the 10-inch natural latex mattress. I have tried this mattress out personally. It's a classic all-foam mattress, which means that the inner core is composed of several layers of latex that are stacked on top of each other. It has a 10-inch profile. It has the organic cotton layer quilted with the wool fire barrier, and the inner layers are made of Dunlop natural latex. The available firmnesses are soft, medium firm, extra firm. So the great thing about the Spindle mattress is the 365-day comfort guarantee. What this means is that within those 365 days, if you're feeling that the mattress is not meeting your comfort needs, just call up Spindle and they'll find a solution to get you comfortable on that mattress. This may involve changes to the foundation or the bed frame. They'll analyze what kind of bed frame that is, what kind of foundation you're using, to see if there are any problems. Now, if they rule out any problems regarding the foundation or the box spring, etc., then they will suggest either a new latex layer configuration if you have the all-latex mattress, and if you have the hybrid version of the Spindle mattress, they will on occasion send out another latex layer of differing firmness. So with the zippered cover, you have access to the inner components of the mattress. All you have to do is open it up, swap it out for the new one, and see if that meets your needs. Now, if all else fails, you still have that time, the 365 days, for a full refund. Among all the manufacturers featured on naturalmattressfinder.com, Spindle has the best customer service and a comfort guarantee there is. A full 365 days to get comfortable on that mattress, to commit to that purchase, is unparalleled in the natural latex mattress space. So thanks so much for stopping by and checking out this video about customizable natural latex mattresses. My name is Daniel Boudreau from naturalmattressfinder.com. Check out the link below. There's much more to the customizable latex mattresses that I mentioned in this video. If you want to get more details about that, I have a full article in the link below, or just go to naturalmattressfinder.com and type customizable latex mattresses in the search bar, and the article should pop up right away. Also on the site, if you want to compare all the third-party certified natural latex mattresses that are available as a bed-in-a-box mattress, that's a mattress that can be delivered straight to your door, head over to naturalmattressfinder.com, and right on the homepage you'll get a simple comparison table where you can compare thicknesses of mattresses and mattress type, that is hybrid mattress, which is spring coils, and all latex mattress. Have a fantastic day and a fantastic sleep tonight. My name is Daniel Boudreau again from naturalmattressfinder.com, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.